Your girl Tovia will be launching our business on Thursday the 17th of November. If you want to place an order, I will leave the link to the website on this video description box and also on the screen. All you need to do is copy it and paste it on your browser and it will take you straight to the website where you can make an order. Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Tovia. If you are new to this YouTube channel, you are welcome. If you are yet to subscribe, please do that right now. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. So let's get into today's business. As you can already read from the title of the video, I am starting my own business. I'm not going to call it small business. Please take that word small out of here. Yes, I'm just starting it, but I'm not going to say my business is small because my business is big. Anyways, let's talk about what this video is about. For those of you who have been following me on Instagram, you have been asking me, why do I always reply your messages so late? The reason why I always reply my messages so late outside university, because I'm currently, doing an exam. It's my final year. As a result of that, I'm kind of busy. But aside that, the main reason why I am so occupied, busy, not replying your messages on time is because I have been working on my business named Shaped by Tovia. Shaped by Tovia. Yes, I have been working on this business for a very long time now. Okay, and as a result of that, I have now decided to launch this business on Thursday the 17th of November. Okay, so what is this brand Shaped by Tovia about? Let me just give you guys a quick description of what the brand is about. Okay, so the brand Shaped by Tovia is a body enhancement brand or a body enhancement products. So if you are looking forward to gaining weight, you want to lose some weight in some part of your body, or you want to increase your butt and your breast and you want to make it firmer, this is the brand for you. So I have been working for the past months on this brand, on this products. And if you guys know me, like if you know me, if you've been subscribed to me, or you know me personally, or you know me through Instagram or Facebook or Snapchat or any other platform, you will know that I have been so skinny. Okay, let me use the word slim. I've been so slim, like fatness keep running from me. I have always struggled to go beyond 50 kilo. The only time I get to 50 kilo, few days I reduce it. I think the highest I've ever gone to in my life is should be between 54, I think. But I always just lose the weight and everything goes. Okay, as a result of this, because I wanted to gain weight, I have tried so many different things. I've bought protein shakes, supplements, capsules. I can't even start to list them from different people. I have tried them, and yeah, I've really used money on these supplements just to make sure I gain weight. But at the end of the day, they don't really work to what I want. Most of them will work. After that, they just stop and then you lose all your weight again. So I decided to go a bit deep down. I know herbs and foods that will make you gain weight, but then you need to put them all together to either form a syrup or a paste or a powder or whatever you prefer. So I started working, so hard on this thing. And as a result of that, I finally made a weight gain herbal syrup that is 100% safe and that will help you gain weight so fast, and the weight will stay. Yes, the weight will stay, guys. The weight doesn't disappear. So you can see me now. If you've been subscribed to me, like I said, I've been so slim. But looking at me right now from here, you see the difference? Yeah, I'm gonna leave some before and after pictures and videos for you guys to see after using these products that I've made. And yeah, you'll get her right to the weight she wants. So I was 46.8 kilo before I started using this product, trying it, testing it. I am currently 65.4 kilos as of today. I know, and I'm like, wow, this is something I've always wanted. I've always wanted to go at least 60 kilo. And when I eat 60, I was like, wow, let's take it, let's increase it. And then I arrive at 64, which is something I really like. Now let me go back to the product. So from what I've said, the brand Shaped by Tovia is specialized on everything that has to do with body enhancement. So that means we do make weight gain syrup, which is what I'm gonna be launching first. Okay, we do make the butt syrup as well, breast enlargement product as well, and weight loss product as well. We've got all of them, but we will only be releasing the weight gain product first because we are still working on a lot of other stuff, and I didn't want to keep taking this longer because a lot of people have been asking me, Tovia, how did you gain weight? How did you gain weight? And I shared it with them. They're like, I want to buy the product. When? So they keep asking me when. My DMs are full with when are you releasing this product. As a result of that, I said, all right, let's just go ahead and release the weight gain abra syrup first. After that, we can then release the other products. Okay, if you're also going to lose weight, don't be like, oh, there's nothing for you. There's something for you as well. Okay, I don't have the product here with me. It's my room and I'm in the city room, but I'm gonna put a picture of how it looks for you guys. So if you are a male or a female and you're looking forward to gaining weight in a healthy, safe way, okay, the product is safe for you to use, for guys, for female, even for children, okay, to use to gain weight. So if you want to gain weight, you need to shop this brand. Enough of people thinking you're a kid. You get that feeling. Let me not say I'm old, but I'm not a child, okay? I'm not a teenager either, but people see me and they'll be like, oh, how old are you? And I tell them, they're like, no, I thought you were like 15. I thought you were like 16. I thought you were like 17. I'm like, hey, God, dude, I'm over 20s. I'm in my 20s. Okay, so after this product, after the fact I've gained so much weight, people no longer call me 16 or 15. Now they address me for who I am. Okay, so like I said, with the help of this brand, I was able to go from being 46.8 kilo to being 65.4 kilos as of today. Okay, and that is where I want to stop. That's what I want to gain. Everyone is different. Okay, so if you guys want to order this product, because it will be launching on Thursday the 17th of November, which is next week from the day I'm making this video. And also we do have limited stock available, so what you need to do as of the time of posting this video, I know that you won't be able to buy it yet until the 17th of November. So all you need to do is click on the link on my description box or copy and paste the link on my screen, www.shapedbytovia.com. Copy it on your browser and it will take you to a page where you can drop your email address. So register your email address, put your email address on that link. Once you've put your email address, we will send you a message. So on that email we'll be sending you, we're going to include a £5 discount for you. So if you need a £5 discount, make sure you drop your email address, and also that will be a way for us to send you reminder on the day we'll be launching. In that way you can place your order quickly. That £5 discount is only for the first day we will be launching. After we've launched, you will not get that anymore. Okay, so that's only for on the day we're launching, and it's only limited stock. Okay, so make sure you drop your email address so you can get notification. As soon as we launch, you'll be the first to get the notification and place your order as soon as possible, because trust me, there's a lot of people on the waiting list saying they want to order the product already. That means if you're not quick, you might not get anything. And one thing I want to say, we do ship worldwide. Okay, we do ship worldwide. So if you are in Nigeria, we do ship to Nigeria. If you are in Ghana, if you are in the UK, the product is made in the UK. I'm in the UK. So if you are anywhere in Europe or in the US, we do ship worldwide for you. Okay, so don't be like, oh, how am I gonna get it? You can get it once you're paying. The shipping is there. Put your correct address and that is you ready to shop. Okay guys, so also we have our Instagram page at Shaped by Tovia, so follow us on Instagram to see a lot of befores and after videos and pictures and a lot about the product, all of the ingredients, and so much how to use the product, how it works. All of them will be explained on the Instagram and also on TikTok at @shapedbytovia. You can also follow us on TikTok for the behind the scenes videos and pictures. And just looking at me right now, you guys, you can see the difference. Okay, you can see all of the difference. I am looking sweeter now. Like if I'm working on the stripper, like, oh, you look so good. Can I take your number? No. Yes. No. Yes. Anyways, guys, and for those of you who wants to increase your butt, your breast, and take away some fat from some part of your body, the products for those are all gonna be released very, very soon. Again, all of our products are safe. It's herbal products. They're all made with herbs, safe herbs for your body that you can drink and you're 100% okay. So that is what it is. It doesn't cost anything because they are herbs, like herbs you would normally need for your body. So just make sure you go shop, make sure you drop your email address, follow us on Instagram, follow us on TikTok to get all of the before and after videos and pictures, exciting ones at that. Okay, you know your girl, I know the door. Anyway, so yeah, that's my business that I have started. So you guys go ahead and support me whichever way you can. If you know anyone that needs to gain weight, make sure you also share this video to them and not just yourself. Okay, the next video I'm gonna be posting will be strictly about the product. Okay, I'm gonna do a second video where I'm gonna talk about the product, how you can gain weight using our products. Okay, you don't need to miss anything. It's already made for you. All you need to do is just take a drink. That's you done. And trust me, I bet you latest 1 week. 1 week is too much. There are people that saw result on their 3rd day using the product. Yes, trust me. And even me, mine was so quick after testing and using it. I made it. So what do you expect? Anyway, so guys, make sure that you go shop. Okay, anyway, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, wish me congratulations and good luck for my new business. Please support me as well. I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Thank you for stopping by. I love you all. Bye.